5 ways to increase your income. In this video, I'm going to give you top 5 ways through which you can increase your income. So let's get started. The number one thing is don't start a business if you don't have a certain amount of money to sustain your business. What does that mean? See, most of the people I see around me and many so-called businessmen, they start their business even without having proper financial backup. So this is the crucial thing. If you are going through entrepreneurship, if you are going through business, then you must have a backup financial plan. What if your business doesn't sustain, or you don't have money, or maybe all of your money are gone due to marketing and advertising, things like that. What if like that? So if you don't have proper amount to start your business, don't start a business. Go do some job, go do some side hustle until you build that amount in which you can sustain and run your business. So if you do this, then you will have proper financial IQ and you will know how the money really works, and your income will be increased through that business. So do first collect the money, then start a business. The number 2 way of increasing your income, or let's say stopping your income to go away, don't take debt until you understand how the money game works. I mean to say that there are many loans types and there are many debt, right? There are mortgage loans, there are car loans, and there are credit loans. So don't take these loans. You might say, why? See, most of the people around the world, and almost more than average people, what do? They take debt to buy liabilities. One thing, debt is also a liability, and liability itself is a liability. So you are taking liability to increase your liability. That's the money mistake. So instead of that, take the liability to increase your asset. That's what Robert Kiyosaki tells in his book, Why We Want to Be Rich. See, most of the millionaires and most of the rich people, what do? Is take debt to increase their financial condition. Meaning they take other people's money, OPM, to increase their money. So if you do this and don't take debt until you understand the money game, you will stop the cash out. So until you understand this and until you understand the money game, don't you take debt to build more debt. So understand the money game, then invest your money at the right thing. The third way of increasing your income or not letting it go out from you is living like a poor until you get that financial success. So you might go to different restaurants and different parties to hang out with your friends, right? Most of the people do that. It's not a big deal. But if you are a proper money mindset people and who cares about money, see, money flows to those who care about money. So if you are a person who cares about money and utilizes it, you shouldn't do that. So you should live like a poor. You should think that I am a poor. Though you are in middle class or in the path of becoming rich, you will have to understand that I am a poor. So if you do this, then your mindset will be like saving and investing. So if you live like a poor until your financial success, then the thing that happens is a huge. So I don't mean that live like a poor and save money and think that a penny saved is a penny earned. Not like that. But in terms of your expenses. Live like a poor in terms of your expenses. Don't overdo it. Limit yourself. Limit your expense. And you will be increasing your financial condition more. So fourth way to increase your income is these are the steps. So I'm not telling you the exact ways. These are the steps. Go through stepwise. Follow the first step, second step, third step, and this is the fourth step, right? So follow these steps. The fourth step is what I call, if you have money to invest in what I called SBR. The full form of SBR is stock, business, and real estate. This is the ordered form. Don't go like disorderly. So firstly, take stock. See how these share things and stock works. Go through the stocks and shares. If you go through that, then you will have little bit upliftment in the money that you have. Let's say you have $1,000, right? You invest in maybe Apple stock, right? And then you will have maybe within 1 year you will have $10,000 or something like that. So now it's a time to invest in business, SB, right? And business, now as we told in the previous video, if you haven't checked it out, go and check it out. As we told in the previous video, that S and B, right? ESBI, meaning employee and small business owner, big business owner, and investor. So the second step is to invest in business. First small business and then big business. And then R comes at last, which stands for real estate. See, real estate is the best way to invest your money. How? First thing, it's tax-free. So if you have proper knowledge on how you can get out of tax, then in real estate you don't have to pay any tax. And secondly, it's in your control. Say, if you buy stock from other company, then until you have that 50% to 60% shares or stocks, then you don't have that right or authority to control that venture. But in real estate, you have the full 100% authority to control that, your market. So invest in SBR stepwise, then you will increase your income. The fifth way of increasing your income is to use OPM. As I already told you, it's other people's money. See, Robert Kiyosaki tells that he always takes debt to increase his asset. What does that mean? He takes loan from the bank and invests it in the real estate, and let's say he took $1 million from bank and he invests that in the real estate, and he again gets maybe $2 million from that. Maybe mortgage, including net mortgage loan and other loan, maybe he could pay maybe $1.2 million. But $0.8 million is a fees, right? No investment, no self-investment, no own money, totally OPM, other people's money. So if you do this, you won't lose any money. You have whole control and you will also earn much money. So this is the fifth but not the last way of getting your income increased. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below. Which of the way are you in? Which of the step are you in? Are you at the first step or you have been at the last step? Comment down below and let me know. And if you have any video ideas to tell me and want me to make any videos on any topic, then comment down below. I will be making the video. Who knows that next video is of yours. See you soon in the next video.